Oh, it's been a long day here. I think it's time for a cup of soup. Got a fancy yakisoba. So we got to read the instructions. Actually, I'm just gonna look at the pictures. 4 minutes, all right? And then I'm assuming I got. Oh, gee, we got some ingredients here. Sauce this thing up. Is there anything else? Oh, we got 1, 2. What's one? Oh, so I got to open this one first because it's got the 1 on it. Chuck it in there. Make sure you get all the little bits out of it. Tap. I don't know what 2 means. Probably should read instructions, but who cares? Chuck that in there. We're gonna need some water, some freshies. We don't use that sink crap around here because we high class. Oh, overfilled it. All right. So it says 4 minutes. Let's stand 1 minute. Let's go throw this thing in the microwave. Got my Willow Springs International Raceway microwave here. Cooks things extra fast. Chuck that in there. Shut it. Forward. Let's go. We wait until the yummies are done. All right, time for the nummies. Been in there for a solid minute. Get them out. Reveal the deliciousness. Oh shit. You ready? The sauce. This is gonna be so dang. She's wet. Get all the juices in there. Panda Express fork today. Some panda that I had earlier. Stir it up all juicy and whatnot. Just dive it in there. I think you're supposed to twirl it all fancy like. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, that's hot. We'll let it cool down a little bit more. I said 1 minute. We eat cup of soups today, brother.
Cup of soup.
Nice.
Soup the cup.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a good time.
Hello there. Long time no see. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, lucky that didn't hit you.